Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today what I am gonna do, I'm gonna demonstrate a script by which you can make a reel by using AI. Okay, so it's not like a very advanced kind of reel. It mostly is a brain rot kind of reel, in which a random video is playing at the background, and a random story is narrating it in the behind. Okay, so it's not that advanced, but I'm trying to make more advanced reels by using uh, GANs to generate the video also. Okay, so what we're gonna do, first of all we have to enable the TTS. Okay, so I'm using the melotts-api-server. So I'm using particularly this image is about 5 GBs, so you can download it. I'm gonna put in the description. So let's start it, and it is started. Okay, so it is nothing but a API, fast API, which is made use with Python. Okay, so you can see it in the browser also. So we have a port number like 8888. So let me open it up. So localhost 4 times 8 docs. Okay, so it is a Swagger interface which is provided by the fast API. Okay, and let's try to make a audio, try it out. Okay, I'm doing this because it's I just loaded the Docker image, and I want that the all model is loaded in the memory. Okay, so I'm gonna make like hello world. Okay, hello world, and execute. Just give it a minute, and it gonna make a audio for the or just for sample. Okay, it is done. All right, so make sure that you have a GPU. So in that case it gonna be takes like a second or two to make a complete video. But if you don't have a GPU, it's like gonna take about 5 to 6 minutes to make a video, so it gonna be fine. Okay, so let's go over here. So it is a script. Okay, so it is nothing special. It use FFmpeg. Okay, FFmpeg to, it's like combine the videos. So make sure that it is installed in your system. Okay, and other than that it is Groq. Okay, just use Groq, and yeah, it is Groq. So you have to get the Groq API key, and it is completely free, so it gonna be fine. Okay, so one more thing is that here's a prompt. You can change it accordingly, whatever content you want. So it is a quite a simple script. So you don't have to do anything. You just run it using Python. Make a reel to representer. So it's gonna ask for a video file. Okay, so I'm using a video file of this service of a gameplay. Okay, this is like a hour long file. So what gonna it do, it's like it gonna first make a story. After that it basically converts the story into the audio file, and it randomly cuts the this video. Okay, it randomly cuts this video section to basically put in that video. Okay, so I'm gonna give a game.mp4 and presenter. After that I have to select the style. Okay, so you can fool around with it. So I'm gonna go with like Indian. So make sure that there's one more thing, that the Indian voices sound like a little girl. So let's be it. Oh, it is a speed. The default speed is 0.8 of the audio. So I'm gonna go with it. You can change it, of course. I want to give name to the output file specifically. So I'm press yes, and let's put like 4, and it is generates the story. Okay, and there it goes. Okay, So it also gives this secret this it's more like that real title and this description, the tags also. Okay, so you can directly upload this video to the YouTube. And like doing experiment with it. Okay, and it's like it is not doing that good, but it's like I'm getting like 3 4 views. Okay, in like 2 days. So it's like I'm seeing it's like what this kind of content gonna get me. Okay, so it's like I uploaded like 9 videos. Okay, and like there is some video getting views, and there it is. So let's upload it. Create, upload, select file. It's in real maker backend test m4. Upload. Yeah. You don't have to worry with any kind of copyright stuff because everything is generating in your system, so it's gonna not gonna be any issue. Okay, so I'm put the description and the real title. There it goes. Okay, so it is not made, and there is also an auto restriction. And next, next. Yeah, the check passes. Next, let's make it public. Schedule it. Schedule to today. Why the fuck it is always scheduled one day off? I want today, and the time is like 11 p.m. Uh, let's schedule it to 1 o'clock or 12 o'clock or quarter past. It seems good. And schedule it. There it goes. So if you want to say it's like
I'm still trying to process what just happened. My family's annual dinner turned into a chaotic mess. My sister Emma revealed a deep secret. Wasn't taking a breath, she's been struggling with that, and my parents are furious, but that's not even the worst part. My brother Jack.
so it is kind of silly, but it is like it is. Okay, so there it is. You can download this script from my GitHub. Okay, and free feel to tune it up. Okay, I have also one more script. Okay, which uses this YouTube API, which automatically uploads this video. Okay, on the YouTube with the title and the description, also with the tags. So I'm gonna upload that also. You can see to it, and there's any confusion, you can comment below, and also you can contact me in LinkedIn and other stuff. Okay. Bye.